So this is the integration result we are needing. We are in need to use this. So what will come? It will come to be 1 by k log of g plus k vy. Limit is from u sine theta to vy. That is equal to minus t. So I will jump few steps. Okay now. If you have any problem, then you can ask me. I'm jumping few steps. Yes. Okay. So G plus KVY. I don't want to do it here. G plus KU sine theta is equal to e to the power minus KT. Why the hell on the earth people do research on these kind of things, you tell me? See the equation. Oh my god. So G plus KVY is equal to G plus KU sine theta into e to the power minus KT. So this is K into Vy is equal to G plus KU sine theta e to the power minus KT minus G. తర్వాత Vy is equal to G by K plus U sine theta into e to the power minus kt minus g by k. Oh my god. This is only velocity along y. Now, I do not want to calculate y. Correct? So we will know that from Vy, if integration of Vy dt is performed, we'll get y. That is enough. Because the outcome will be too hot to tackle. Y will be huge. This is okay now after this? Yeah. Yes, Rutik sir.
Sir, is it necessary to remember all these, sir? Complex integral clarification.
Uh, if I say yes, then there is problem. If I say no, then there will also be a problem.
Only Vy we should remember, sir.
You should not remember. You should practice it so many times so that it comes as spontaneous things.
Okay.
Right? Okay. If I do not remember, how will you remember? You tell me.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Akash?
Sir, can you please say how you got integration of dx by a plus bx is equal to 1 by b ln a plus bx?
How did I get?
Yes, sir.
How did I? You should ask the maths faculty once.
Sir, is there any proof, sir?
Obviously, there is proof. I can explain, but I will not explain because it goes out of my periphery. You will learn this thing in integration, not now. So just use this as a formula.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I can prove it, but it doesn't look decent actually. Chalo yaar, kar dete hain. Don't ask me mathematics. I get too much tempted with maths. So just only this thing I am doing. After that, I will not do. Okay, na? After this, you will not ask me any mathematics. What is being done here? Dx by a plus bx. This is algebraical substitution. This is called algebraical substitution. Algebraical substitution. Correct. What you should know here that when I am writing algebraical substitution, there can be trigonometric substitution also. But remember this particular domain, that is algebra, this part of mathematics came much later, much later. I mean, centuries after arithmetic was being discovered. So when in ancient Indian philosophy, in ancient times, we had a great deal of research done by the old devoted people. I cannot say them monks. They are not monks. Probably they were next to God. That's why they could see the numbers. So the algebra came much later. So algebraical substitution says that if we take a plus bx is equal to z, z is also a variable, correct? So if I just differentiate, what I get, b dx is equal to dz, right? So now check out the integration. So if I go back to here, what I can write in place of dx, I can write d a plus bx is already z. So b is constant, it will come out 1 by b integration of dz by z. So all of us know integration of dz by z is nothing but log z, right? So 1 by b ln z plus c. So 1 by b ln z means a plus bx plus c. That's it. Okay. Fine now, Mr. Akash Kumar. Okay. Right. So let us go for the problems. Correct now? So problems. Mr. Pushkar Kale raised his hand. How are you?
Sir, can you please scroll a bit up?
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Right now done. So, here comes the aeroplane. Yes. Right. So this is our first example for today. Let me crop a little. It's coming on full screen now. Yeah, right. So now try this one. Yes, Mr. Rahul Rao. Where you are gone? You have gone somewhere. Anyway. So before you proceed with the question, I will give you a hint, just small hint. Small hint is last line of the question. This is the hint to solve the entire question. Vignesh,
Sir,
tell me.
the first the distance AB is 15 meter.
Correct only.
Next one also 15 meter.
Very good. Excellent.
Third one parabolic.
Correct. Very good. Excellent. See, how will it come? I told that the last line is the hint. That means what? That means you have to attach an observer with respect to this wedge. Correct? So if I observe velocity of the particle with respect to wedge is equal to, can I write velocity of the particle with respect to ground minus velocity of the wedge with respect to ground? Right? No? Achha, what is the velocity of the particle? It is simply up. This is plus j cap. So this is 20 j cap. And wedge is moving along horizontal direction in this is minus I cap. Right now? So I can write minus of minus 10 I cap. So how much you are getting? You are getting 10 I cap plus 20 j cap. This is the velocity of the particle with respect to wedge. Is that point clear? So when you get such kind of velocity, what it proves? It proves that from wedge, the motion of the particle will be like a projectile, thrown at some angle. So I will just redraw the diagram, what it looks from the frame of this wedge. So it looks like, suppose this is the ground. Here is the wedge. This angle I think they have given to be 45 degree. So now here the particle motion, if you look, so in this direction the velocity is coming to be 10 I cap, right? And the vertical direction the velocity is coming to be 20 j cap. So as if this is the v vector or u vector, you say it is projected at an angle theta. If say this is theta, so tan theta is equal to ui by ux, that is 20 by 10, that is equal to 2. Correct now? So this is moving like this and hits the plane normally like this.